The sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters of the Atlantic. In Zahara de los Atunes, a small coastal town in Spain, this daily spectacle takes on an extraordinary dimension. It is here, in this unique setting, that Fran Silvestre Arquitectos has crafted a remarkable residence, a place where the ordinary transforms into the exceptional. The house, nestled into the sloping terrain, appears as a carefully placed architectural artifact. Its foundation, clad in the same gray stone as the surrounding landscape, echoes the Arabic origins of the town name, Zahara, meaning rocky place. This elevated base provides the necessary vantage point to capture the breathtaking sunsets over the vast expanse of water. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, the house invites its inhabitants to embrace the natural beauty that surrounds them. The central living space, a vast, open expanse, is oriented to maximize the breathtaking views. To the northwest, the magical sunset paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson. To the southeast, the landscape stretches out towards the horizon, offering a serene and contemplative vista. The architectural language of the house is both minimalist and expressive. Clean lines and simple forms create a sense of tranquility and harmony. The absence of intrusive structural elements allows the focus to remain on the ever-changing interplay of light and shadow, sky and sea. The upper floor of the house is divided into 3 distinct zones. The central living area, as mentioned earlier, is the heart of the home, a space designed for communal living and entertainment. On either side, the private bedrooms offer a peaceful sanctuary, each with its own unique connection to the natural world. A tranquil patio, sheltered from the strong Tarifa winds, provides a secluded retreat. This outdoor space, adjacent to the main house, offers complementary living areas, perfect for relaxation and contemplation. At night, the house transforms once again. The gentle glow of interior lighting illuminates the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The large windows frame the darkened landscape, inviting the stars and moon to become part of the interior experience. The architecture of this house is a testament to the power of simplicity and the beauty of the natural world. It is a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, where the rhythms of nature become an integral part of daily life. In Zahara de los Atunes, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. The daily sunrise and sunset, though familiar, are elevated to a sublime experience. The house, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture, is a fitting tribute to the breathtaking beauty of this coastal paradise. In this video, we explored the house on the air, a stunning architectural masterpiece by Fran Silvestre Arquitectos. Located in Zahara de los Atunes, Spain, this house is a testament to the power of simplicity and the beauty of the natural world. The house's unique architecture seamlessly blends into the surrounding landscape, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and the magical sunsets. Its open-plan design creates a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, allowing residents to fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty that surrounds them. If you're looking for inspiration and a glimpse into the world of exceptional architecture, I encourage you to explore the work of Fran Silvestre Arquitectos. Their designs are a testament to the power of creativity and innovation, and they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of architecture. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.